Hey, Sam here. Let's talk about AI Video Suite. Just a few seconds to check my huge list of high-quality bonuses included in this offer. AI Video Suite is a cloud-based app powered by GPT-4 technology. You can create scripts for various video types, including whiteboard, sales, explainer, and product promos. You also have a built-in video and box creator, plus done-for-you vertical video templates. Step number 1: AI Video Maker. Start by creating the script. Click on AI Content. Choose the type of video. Insert all the info about your product or service. Generate the script. Now you can copy, regenerate, or download. The app automatically creates slides with the script. Choose the video resolution. You can choose a video frame. You can add animations and add background music. Adjust the volume. Choose a voice and let the app create the video. Your video is ready. You can preview it, download it, and you can also edit again. If you want to create a whiteboard video, you just need to add business URL to fetch the content. You can also create a video from images. Simply enter a keyword and the app will find images to make a video. Step number 2: AI Voice Generator. Choose a voice, the output volume, the speaking rate, and paste your script or use the AI. Now you can download the voiceover and add a background music. Step number 3: AI Content Generator. Choose one of the done-for-you prompts. Your script is ready. Go back to the box generator script and paste the script. Generate the voiceover. Go back to the AI Video Maker and create your video.
Welcome to our tutorial on how to build a treehouse. In this step-by-step guide, we'll equip you with the knowledge to create a safe and sturdy treehouse for endless childhood adventures.
Prices and OTOs included in this offer.
When you log into AI Video Suite, you will see your dashboard along with a navigational menu to your left. We'll go ahead and start with the AI Video Maker, which is, in my opinion, the main feature of this video suite. And we'll click on AI Whiteboard Video, which is probably my favorite feature within this program. I've been using whiteboard style videos for many, many years now for sales videos and other types of videos, and they have been so successful for me, which is why I was really excited to be a part of developing this tool to create whiteboard videos using AI. Before I give this video a title, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to show you the AI content feature. I'm actually going to start with that, and then we will go back to the top. So if I click on the AI content button, we can create a script for this video. Optionally, you can just simply paste in your own script, but we'll go ahead and use the AI since it's here. And this is really what I think is kind of the crux of this entire video suite are 6 main video types that you can create instantly using this tool. You've got sales video, business ad video, product promo video, informational video, squeeze page video, and explainer or tutorial video. I'm going to go ahead and show you each of those 6 video types in this demo. So we'll start with sales video. So insert a product name. Let's say the Internet Marketing Crash Course. Product type, let's say video course. That could be an ebook, it could be a physical product, it could be any type of product, and this will work. And then I'm just going to put one sentence of what this product is about so that the AI understands what it is. We have a few options here for creativity. I'm going to leave it at default and click submit. And in a matter of seconds, it has written the script. I can then copy this to the clipboard. I could regenerate it if I don't like it, or I can simply click the down arrow and it is going to copy that script directly into my slides. As you can see, it automatically created 20 slides for me. I'm just going to scroll through this real quickly to make sure they look okay. Every once in a while, there might be a few things you might want to fix, but in this case, it's looking great. I might take away this extra line break here at the top. Now I'm going to go back to the top and show you what we'll do here. For video title, I'll call it the I Am Crash Course. You can choose from a wide selection of fonts. I'll go with Helvetica. Font size, I'm going to say 80. And for this first demo, I'll go ahead and leave it as the default black font on a white background, but you can create any font color along with any background color. You then have a wide variety of video resolutions available. I'm going to go with the full HD 1080p, which I find is the most useful for many things these days. We do have an optional video frames feature, so you can pick any of these colorful frames, or you can simply leave it without a frame, but I'll go ahead and choose a frame just so you can see what it looks like. You can add animation to your text if you want to, select the alignment, and select some background music. For this particular sales video, I'm going to select a background track called Positive Experience, and you can preview any track as well. Pause that. For the volume, I'm actually going to make it the quietest option because I want the voice to be at the forefront with the music very quiet in the background. You can choose from many different languages. Choose your voice, and you can preview any voice as well. And once you've done that, scroll to the bottom and click Create Video. And there we go. The video is done. We can preview it, we can download it, or we can edit it. And I will show you the editing options a little later on in this demo. Let's just go ahead and preview it for now.
Are you an entrepreneur or a small business owner struggling to make your mark in the digital world? Putting together an effective online marketing strategy can be a daunting task. You might be wondering, where do I start?
All right, so this video looks great, it sounds great, it's professionally produced, and this is something that would have taken me several hours in the past because I would have actually had to write my script. I would have then had to create the PowerPoint slides. Then I would have had to produce the video. I would have had to record it and then edit the video. And here we are. It's been done in what? A minute or two. Absolutely incredible. Let's go back and take a look at the next video type. Once again, we'll scroll down, go to AI content. This time we'll choose business ad video. This is a really exciting feature because it allows you to create videos instantly for any client, for any type of business, for offline businesses, and you don't have to write any scripts. You don't even have to do the research. All you really have to do is enter the business name, the website, and the AI is going to do the rest. Let me show you. And just to prove that it can do this for any type of business, let's do one for Kelly Slater's Surf Ranch, which is obviously a very different kind of product than what you normally see in demo videos. It's a wave pool for surfers. So look, all I need to do is grab the URL of his website, paste it in, click Get, and then Submit. Here's our script. Once again, I could either copy it or just simply add it to this video. So I'm going to go ahead and send it directly to the text area. It's automatically created, let me see, 20 slides for me. So we'll go back up, and this video will be called Surf Ranch. For the font family, this time I'll select Georgia. We go with a little bit smaller font this time. We'll go with size 50 because I'm going to leave room for pictures, which we'll add later. And this time we're going to go with maybe a little more of a surf-colored theme. So maybe a light aqua-colored font. Perhaps the background could be like a dark blue, ocean kind of color. I will go with full HD again. We could either go with frame or no frame. Let's see, this is kind of a surf-looking theme. This time for the text alignment, I'm actually going to put the text on the top of the frame because I'm going to add pictures below the text. For the background music, there is one called Coastline. I think that's appropriate for surfing. And we'll go with 0.1 this time. So not the very quietest, but still pretty quiet. I'm going to stick with English, but this time instead of US English, let's go with maybe, we've got a bunch of choices. Let's go with Australian because even though Kelly Slater's not Australian, I think an Australian accent for a surf related video would be kind of cool. And that's it. Let's click Create Video. All right, and just like that, the video has been produced. Let's go ahead and preview this one.
Welcome to Surf Ranch, a wave pool for surfers in California's Central Valley. Experience an epic wave like no other, bigger, better, and longer than any created before.
Isn't that so cool? That voice just it works perfectly for this video. The script just sounds great. Even this border looks great. So, and you can see what I did here. I left plenty of room for pictures. I'm going to show you how we're going to add those in just a few minutes in this demo. For now, we're going to go back and take a look at the other types of videos that we can create with this tool. But that is going to be so great. So going back to AI Video Maker, AI Whiteboard Video. Once again, scroll down to AI content. This time we're going to do a product promo video. And again, just to prove that this is such a diverse product that can create videos for anything, I'm going to do something totally different here. Let's go with Eric's Secret Sauce. For product type, it's going to be barbecue sauce. And that's fairly self-explanatory, so I could probably even just keep this very minimal, but I'm just going to give one sentence about what this barbecue sauce is and click Submit. Okay, the script just took a few seconds. I'll go ahead and click the down arrow to add that to the slides. Then going back up to the top, we'll add a title for this, Secret Sauce. We'll select a font family. I'm going to go with a fairly large font again. I'm not planning on adding pictures to this one, so we'll go with like 80. I think a black font is good. We'll stick with full HD because that's just what I use for most things. But if you're doing something like stories, if you're doing stories for Instagram, if you're doing a YouTube short, if you're doing a TikTok video, maybe you want to go vertical, or Instagram, maybe you want to go square. We do have those options as well. But for now, I'm just going to go with full HD. And the background color, maybe something a little more warm, you know, like a yellowish orange, something that I think of a little more like barbecue sauce. How about a frame for this one? This looks good for barbecue sauce. So I'll keep the text in the center. Background music. There's one called Follow the Sun that I think will fit well. Volume, we'll go with 0.1 on this one again. And we'll go with a male voice on this one. I like a guy named Guy. Scroll down and click to create the video. And there we have it. Let's go ahead and take a look at the preview.
Are you ready to take your barbecue to the next level? Introducing Eric's Secret Sauce, the tangy barbecue masterpiece that took over 10 years to develop.
I love it.
Eric's Secret Sauce isn't just any ordinary barbecue sauce. It's a true labor of love that has won several awards.
All right. Sounds great. Looks great. You know, this is a topic that I really didn't know anything about, you know, writing about barbecue sauce or anything like that. But the AI came up with a great script for us. It took just a matter of minutes to create that entire video. Let's go back and take a look at the next type, AI Video Maker, Whiteboard Video. Scroll down to AI Content, and we'll look at creating an informational video. This allows you to create a video about literally any topic, and I mean any topic. So let's create a video about teeth whitening. It's as simple as putting in your topic and clicking submit. Okay, so here is our script. I'm going to click the down arrow to add that to the slides. And let's see, go ahead and get rid of extra space right there. Here I'm just going to get rid of the word title. Just the word title is what I want to eliminate from these slides. Again, that's something we can probably tweak our software to make even better, but even if you have to do this, not a big deal. It's going to take you like 15, 20 seconds. Then we'll scroll up, give it a video title, select a font, select a size, the video resolution. Let's see, for teeth whitening, maybe let's reverse this. So we'll give it a white font, and the background color, let's make it black. And maybe we'll go with no frame this time. Keep it centered. Background music, I'm going to select one called Little Step. Volume 0.1. Let's go with Sarah this time. And click to create the video. All right, so once again, this is a topic that I really don't know anything about, and in just a minute or two, we are able to produce an informational video on the topic. Let's go ahead and preview it real quick.
Welcome, smile enthusiasts, to our amazing journey into the world of teeth whitening. Why teeth get stained? Have you ever wondered why our pearly whites lose their sparkle?
Okay, so you might have noticed a couple of spacing issues. Now, in most other AI video creators, which, by the way, I don't think can even do most of what ours does, you wouldn't even have this option. But with ours, you can actually go back and edit this whiteboard video. And so I'm going to jump to that right now where it says Edit as Whiteboard Video. I can jump back to it, scroll down to our slides, and you notice there was this awkward pause in between welcome and smile enthusiasts. She said, welcome, smile enthusiasts. Well, I want to take out that comma and actually take out that comma as well. Welcome, smile enthusiasts, to our amazing journey into the world of teeth whitening. Those commas are not necessary. And here, I think we need a period so that it knows to give a little pause right there. And then we'll click Create Video to regenerate the video. All right, that just took a few seconds. Let's go ahead and preview it again.
Welcome, smile enthusiasts, to our amazing journey into the world of teeth whitening. Why teeth get stained? Have you ever wondered why our pearly...
Perfect. You can see that took care of the problem right there, and it just took, less than a minute to fix it. Of course, if I had paid a little more attention to the script in the first place, we could have actually probably prevented that. I could have just tweaked the script before we produced it in the first place. But you can see if there's something that you want to fix or tweak, you can easily go back and edit the whiteboard video without having to start from scratch or to, recreate everything from step one. You can just go back and edit it. Very easy. So then let's go back to AI Video Maker, AI Whiteboard Video. Once again, scroll down to AI Content. This time we're going to do a squeeze page video. Again, continuing to prove that we are very multifaceted and can create products about anything. Let's do the guidebook to fly fishing for trout. We will say the product type is an ebook, and obviously the audience is going to be people who want to catch trout. And click Submit. Okay, here's our script. I'm going to go ahead and add this to the slides. Quickly go through our slides and make sure it's all looking okay. A couple of line breaks, and honestly, it's probably not a big deal even if I left these extra line breaks in there. Let's see, this little testimony, I'm going to put that in quotes. Scroll back up, we'll call it Trout Ebook. Font, monospace. I'll go size 70. I'm thinking maybe white font on like a dark blue background. Full HD. So background color, a nice like a deep blue. We'll pick a frame. For the background music, I found one called In the Forest. And I'm going to go with just a nice subtle 0.05. I think I'll go with a male voice again and click to create it. And as I'm waiting for that to generate, you can see here, like the final slide has a call to action. Enter your details now and embark on a lifelong journey of fly fishing mastery. Click the button below and claim your free guidebook today. So this AI template is going to create a great video for squeeze pages. All right, let's take a look at this squeeze page video.
Picture this, the tranquil whisper of the rushing river, the scent of fresh pine in the air, and the thrill of landing a trophy trout. Are you an angler yearning to immerse yourself in the art of fly fishing for trout?
Sounds good. I might go back and just tweak that very first slide. So where it says picture this, I might change that comma to either a semicolon or a dash, just to, in my opinion, make it sound a little more natural. But other than that, it sounded great. Again, took just a matter of minutes. Let's go back and take a look at one more video style. We'll go back down, video type, and select the explainer or tutorial video. This is as easy as entering a topic once again. And I recommend starting this with how to. For example, how to build a treehouse. So this really could be anything. How to, and then any topic you want, anything you want it to explain or teach. And it's as simple as that. Go ahead and click submit. Okay, it came up with a script. We'll go ahead and click the button to add that to the slides. Scroll through and see if the slides look okay. And they do. I don't have to make any tweaks or changes at all. So we'll name this one Treehouse. We'll give it a font family. We'll just keep it at that first one. Annie, use your telescope. That's kind of a funny sounding font. We'll make it font size 70. Well, let's see, Treehouse. Maybe we change this to like a brown. I'm thinking of like, brown wood. Looks good. I like my full HD. We'll go with the white background, but maybe pick a frame. This looks treehousey. And there's a background music called Dreamy Skies that's going to sound good with this theme. And we'll make it, again, subtle at just a 0.05. We go with Aria this time. And click to create the video. And there we have a tutorial video teaching how to build a treehouse. Let's take a look at it.
Welcome to our tutorial on how to build a treehouse. In this step-by-step guide, we'll equip you with the knowledge to create a safe and sturdy treehouse for endless childhood adventures.
Perfect. Not only is it a tutorial how to build a treehouse, but it's a safe and sturdy one. Exactly what we want. Now we'll look at some additional ways to create a video. So we're going to click on AI Video Maker, AI Whiteboard Video, but this time we're going to click on the Search tab. Using this feature, we can create a keyword-based video in a matter of seconds. I'm going to use the keyword surfing, and in a few minutes I'll show you why, but we'll go ahead and search for some images. Now, if there are any images that we don't want to use, we can disclude those. So this is like surfing the internet. I don't want to use that one. I don't think I want to use that one. And this one is surfing the internet. So we'll use the rest of these. Click Make Images to Video. We'll call this Surf Pics. Stick with my usual full HD. You can decide how many seconds you want each image to display. Let's say 3 seconds. And then we can choose audio, but in this case, I'm going to produce it without any audio. And again, I'm going to show you why shortly. Let's upload and produce. Okay, that literally just took a few seconds. Let's take a look at it. And it's really just a slideshow. That's why it produced it so quickly with no audio. Okay, I'm going to do something else with that in a little bit. Going back to AI Video Maker, click on AI Whiteboard Video again. We've got a couple more options here. We've got import and upload. Now, before I show you those, I want to take a moment to show you our AI voiceover generator where you see Vox. That means voiceover. So we'll click on that. We'll go to New Vox. I'm going to call this Trout Vox because I'm going to create a short voiceover about trout. You can select your volume, your speaking rate, and then you can paste your script or, once again, use AI. I'm going to give it a very simple prompt and submit it. Once again, we can either copy it to the clipboard or simply click to send it to the text area. If we need to clean anything up, you can do that real quickly. In this case, the AI gave me some ideas for things to put in the background and whatnot, so I'm just going to delete those parts. All I'm doing with this is just the voiceover, not creating a video, so we'll just get rid of those extra things. That only took a few seconds. I'll just stick with Amber for the voice and click Generate Vox. From here, we can either download it, we can add background music to it, or we can simply click to play and preview it.
Welcome to our latest adventure in the world of fishing. Today,
there we go. I'm going to create one more voiceover file to use, but before I do that, I'm going to use a different tool within this suite to create the script. I'm going to click on AI Content Generator. And we've got a bunch of prompts built in. You can either write your own prompt or use one of our built-in prompts. You can see the scroll drop down here has lots of options. And I'm going to have it write a short script for a product called the Ultimate Chocolate Cookbook. And click Generate. All right, perfect. This time I'm going to go ahead and copy it to the clipboard. Then I'm going to go back to the Vox generator, click New Vox, and I'm going to paste in the text. Once again, I'm going to go ahead and clean up the parts that I don't want it to actually speak for me. If you've got some extra quotation marks in there, that is not going to affect anything. I'll call this one Cookbook Vox. We'll choose a voice. We'll leave the default volume and speaking rate and click to generate. Let's go ahead and preview it.
Introducing the Ultimate Chocolate Cookbook, the perfect companion for all chocolate lovers out there.
Perfect. Now we're going to go back to the AI Video Maker, click on Whiteboard Video, and this time we're going to use the import feature. This allows you to grab and use images from anywhere on the internet. For example, I could go over to Google Images and search for trout fishing. If I wanted to make sure these are images I could use, I could click on Tools, Usage Rights, Creative Commons License, and then I can grab the URL for any of these images. So I grab the URLs for several trout images. We'll click to load those. You can see it loads them instantly, and then we'll click Make Images to Video. We'll call this one Trout Fishing. Stick with my full HD. I'll say 5 seconds per image. And for the audio track, we're going to choose the Trout Vox. And click the button. And there is my trout fishing video. Let's take a look at the preview.
Welcome to our latest adventure in the world of fishing. Today, we are setting out on a thrilling trout fishing expedition. Join us as we explore the mesmerizing beauty of crystal clear streams.
Looks great. One thing you may want to make note about on this method is the length of the voiceover if you are using a voiceover, because you'll want to make sure you use enough pictures to fill up that voiceover. All right, let's take a look at the next method. Again, whiteboard video, and this time we're going to click on the Upload tab. This allows you to use images from your own computer. We'll click Browse, and we can select them all at once. Click Open. This one's going to be my chocolate cookbook. Select a video resolution, how long you want those images to be displayed, and again, you'll want to sort of calculate depending on how long your voiceover is if you are using a voiceover. I'm going to use my cookbook voiceover and process. All right, here's the cookbook video. Let's go ahead and take a preview.
Introducing the Ultimate Chocolate Cookbook, the perfect companion for all chocolate lovers out there.
There we go. Now we're going to take a look at some of our video editing tools. And let's see, since we just generated this video, let's start with this one. By the way, the location for you to find these existing videos would be under AI Video Maker and then click on My Videos. So here under Chocolate Cookbook, I'm going to click the Edit button. Suppose I want to add some text to it. We'll go ahead and click the Text button. And then for my text, let's say the Chocolate Cookbook. Let's put it in the top center. Opacity, leave it slightly transparent. And then for size, I'm going to bump it up to 80. And let's make it yellow. Click Process. And it's done. As you can see now, it says the Chocolate Cookbook.
Introducing the Ultimate Chocolate Cookbook, the perfect companion.
Right there in my video. The other thing I was thinking about doing with this one is adding some background music to it. So I'm going to click the button that says Background Audio and Vox. And I actually could have produced this with no audio to start with and then added the Vox at this point. But we'll go ahead and just combine a Vox and a background music track now. So the Cookbook Vox, and we'll select some background music. We'll make the background music quiet, the voiceover default, and update the audio. Done. And let's give it a listen.
Introducing the Ultimate Chocolate Cookbook, the perfect companion for all chocolate lovers out there. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, this cookbook is filled with a wide range of decadent chocolate recipes that will tantalize your taste buds.
I think that sounds good with the music. All right, let's take a look at a few more features. I'm going to go back to my videos, scroll down, and I'm going to select the Surf Ranch video that we made a little while ago. Click Edit. And remember, we also made a video with just a slideshow of surf pictures. That's what I want to overlay on top of this one. So see where it says overlay existing video from my videos? I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to select my video that I named Surf Pics. I'm going to maximize my screen so I can see this better. And you just want to drag and drop the overlay where you want it to be, and then you can also click and drag to resize it. Once you've got it in place, just double click it and click Process. And that's done. Let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like.
Welcome to Surf Ranch, a wave pool for surfers in California's Central Valley. Experience an epic wave like no other, bigger.
As you can see, we now have a video complete with a slideshow. There are a number of other things that we can do to make this video even better here in the editing tools. And because this demo is getting kind of long, I'm going to just sort of give you the quick run through of what it is that you can do here in the editor. Here on this little thumb icon, you can create a thumbnail, a custom thumbnail out of any frame. We did look at the text tool. We can actually reverse the entire video, which is an interesting option. We can rotate it, so if you were to want to change something from horizontal to vertical or vice versa, we can adjust the speed of the video. So you could actually speed up an entire video. The scissors are a trim tool, so you can cut it how you want it to be. Upload image constant overlay means you can upload any image that will then sit on top of your video throughout the duration of your video. So it would be basically the same thing as a watermark. Upload image for fade in, fade out overlay means you can upload any image which will then appear for any portion of your video that you want it to appear for. Upload a video for fade in, fade out overlay means you can upload any video to actually put on top of this video. And search image for fade in, fade out overlay. And let me do a quick demo of that one because it is one that most of you will probably be using at some point. So let's just say I wanted to look for surfing. I could type in the keyword, search for it, and you'll see a number of stock images will come up. It's as simple as choosing which one I want to use, click the plus, drag it into place, drag it to size, and then we're going to use the slider to choose where we want it to start and end. Again, for the sake of time, the next tool is search video for fade in, fade out overlay. It's basically the same thing that we just did, but instead of a static image, you're going to search and it will pull up stock videos. So as you can see, we could grab any of these stock videos just by clicking the plus button. Moving on to the video in the location that you choose, and then you can drag it to size as well. We then have search video for constant overlay, search image for constant overlay, overlay existing video from my videos, which we already did. You can insert a new background audio and or voiceover, which we also already demonstrated. Or you can upload audio from your local computer. So you have a lot of options to really customize and make these whiteboard videos awesome. But beyond that, we have an entirely additional video creation tool, which is the AI Short Video Maker. Here in the templates area, you'll find a drop-down where you can choose from either portrait or landscape. Since we've been creating a lot of landscape videos, let's go with portrait this time. From the other drop-down, you can choose from 12 different niches, ranging from real estate to education to travel and even just general sales. Let's take a look at the fitness niche. I'll go ahead and select a template, click Choose Template, and from here we can completely customize this video. You can add elements, you can take elements away, you can change the text, and essentially it's an incredible shortcut for creating short videos for any business or any client. The editor for these short videos has most of the same components as the editor that we just took a look at. For example, search image. I can type in a keyword, such as fitness, we actually have 3 platforms to choose from. Click search, and you'll have an endless amount of stock videos at your fingertips to choose from. You can also add music, add voiceovers with music, and we have some additional fun little tools like stickers and emojis. When you're done making edits, just click the check mark. Actually, when you click the check mark, it will render the video, and then you need to click Save to My Videos, and it will save to your video library. So here we now have this video in our library. Now, of course, if I don't like that music, or if I wanted to add a voiceover, I could simply then go back into the video editor and change it. One last tool I want to make sure I mention in this demo is the AI image generator. I'll go ahead and paste in a prompt that I found. Set the image size. You can select how many images you want to create and click Generate. As you can see, I only chose to generate one image, and that one turned out quite well. Here's a closer look at it. Let's do one more. I'll paste in a prompt, click Generate. I only requested that it generate one image, and once again, it looks like the one turned out quite well. Here's a closer look at that image. Also within this tool, we have a stock image search engine. So I can type in a keyword, click Generate, and we can grab stock images from here as well. Beyond all these great tools, you'll find some additional tools and bonuses depending on which option you chose when you signed up for AI Video Suite. So just a quick recap, again, in the AI Video Maker, we looked at the Whiteboard Video Maker, which has 6 incredible video types built in: sales videos, business ad videos, product promo videos, informational videos, squeeze page videos, explainer, tutorial videos. We could then also do search videos, import from URL videos. We can upload images for videos, and then we have a completely additional AI short video maker. So when we say it's an AI video suite, we really mean it.